In this video, I will show you how to create multi-speaker clips in OpusClip. If this guide helps, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. Open the clip that you would like to create a multi-speaker clip for, then click Edit. Above your video, you will see the aspect ratio. Next to the aspect ratio, you will see Layout. Select that, and then you can select Split, 3 if there's 3 people, or 4 if there's 4 people. So in this clip, there are 2 people, so I will select Split. So now you can see the 2 people are now in one video. If I play the video,
that's the icing on the cake. For someone who's watched this season, every season over and over a number of,
we can see the video displaying both our faces and switching back and forth. If you need to edit the video and the position of the people in the frame, you can simply select where you need to. Maybe you will need to split it, move it across, and then you can make it shorter or longer. If you need to reframe the person, you can simply make the person's face larger. So now I am not getting both people in one frame. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.